How to remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat, all you need to do is first of all open the Snapchat app. Then just go to the chats icon here, which is the chat page, and then just open the group. And then here I have added a couple of members to this group, and let's say now that I want to remove it, you want to make sure that you are the admin of this group though. So just tap on the group name, which is at the very top, and then here you can see group members. Currently there are 3 members including myself, so I can just tap the add button in order to be able to add more members. But if I want to remove a specific person from the group, all I need to do is just long press on their name over here. And then here I'll see the pop-up that says remove from group. Now they will not be removed from your friends list, but they will only be removed from the group, so keep that thing in mind. And then just tap on remove from group. It will ask you for a confirmation, are you sure you want to remove it? So you just want to tap on the option called remove button here, and then the person will be successfully removed from the group. And then you can repeat the process for any of the other group members. Tap on remove from group and then click on remove button here. This is simply how you can remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.